gonna eat all the grass. Kindergartners in first grade is all looking at the goats. They're all going in one place. But they're trying to eat grass.
Okay, here at Creekside, we have a stormwater detention basin that you see right here. And as you can see, it's got a lot of vegetation that's grown up. We can't get equipment down into this area. And so we thought with the steep inclines and the vegetation that the goat would be a natural thing to try.
Goats eat and eat and eat and never stop.
That's their favorite food, and they came here because there was grass. They're like chewing down the grass for, I think, to put something special up.
They're just funny. They're just riding, going down hills, and they're so funny, they go fast.
They can see nature at work. They can learn about goats. They can incorporate that into some of their science studies.
They're pretty cool that they can eat grass and we can't. It's cool because it's good to watch.